Revitalize with Power Smart Electromagnetic Invigorator, SEI. Discover the latest in health technology with Power Smart Electromagnetic Invigorator, SEI. Harnessing advanced bioresonance techniques. At its core, the device utilizes Terahertz far infrared waves precisely tuned to resonate with cellular frequencies, delivering energy waves from the soles of your feet. This process activates deep-seated cells, enhances cellular metabolism, revitalizing your body's energy. Key benefits: cell activation and circulation. SEI enhances cell metabolism, expels toxins, and improves cell membrane permeability through electromagnetic heat effects. Reawaken dormant cells, repair damaged ones, and reclaim your vitality. Meridian stimulation and vasodilation. Starting from the feet, SEI opens meridian pathways, stimulates vital energy flow, and promotes blood vessel dilation, ensuring optimal tissue oxygenation and circulation. Cold damp removal and detoxification. Continuous temperature control improves microcirculation, eliminates cold damp conditions, clears vascular blockages, and reduces swelling and varicose veins, boosting overall resilience. Inflammation relief and pain alleviation. Localized thermal polarization expands blood vessels, improves nutrient metabolism, and alleviates inflammation and various pain caused by nerve tension. Power Smart Electromagnetic Invigorator. Experience 30 minutes of SEI for lymphatic detox, meridian unblocking, and cold damp removal, elevating your overall health. Embrace SEI for a new realm of health and vitality.
Viiva. Enhance more people to be healthy and happy.